In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate outbound phone calls in n8n using Ultravox AI and Twilio. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that starts a real-time phone call where Ultravox generates the conversation and audio, and Twilio handles the phone connection. I'll explain each step clearly so you can follow along by listening or watching. To begin, open n8n and create a new workflow. Add a manual trigger node, labeled Manual Trigger. This is your safe testing switch. It lets you run the workflow on demand without waiting for external events. Click Execute Node to make sure everything is wired correctly and that you can start the flow at any time during setup. Next, add a Set node to define the key variables your workflow needs. Create 3 fields: Agent ID for your Ultravox AI agent, Twilio number for the Twilio phone number that will place the call, and phone number for the recipient. Enter values that you know are valid and use international formatting for phone numbers to avoid call failures. If you're concerned about exposing values, keep them in secure credentials where possible and avoid pasting anything sensitive in plain text. Now it's time to create the Ultravox call session. Add an HTTP request node named HTTP request. Configure it to send a POST request to the Ultravox endpoint that initializes a call session using your agent ID. This step prepares the AI conversation and the audio stream. When you execute this node, you should receive a JSON response. The important piece is a field called Join URL. This URL is what Twilio will use to stream audio in real time. Expand the output in n8n to confirm the field name and keep it available for the next node. Finally, connect Twilio to the phone network. Add a Twilio node. Set the from value to your Twilio number and the to value to the recipient's phone number. For the message or media stream field, reference the join URL returned by Ultravox. When you run the workflow, Twilio dials the recipient and streams the AI-generated audio live, so the person on the other end hears the Ultravox agent in real time. Test the entire flow by executing the manual trigger node again. Watch the node outputs in n8n to confirm each step completes successfully. If a call doesn't connect, double-check phone number formats, confirm your Twilio number is enabled for outbound calls, and verify that the join URL is being passed correctly. And that's it. You've built an 11 labs-friendly, end-to-end workflow in n8n that automates outbound calls using Ultravox for the AI voice and Twilio for telephony.